The stupid thing only does it if you look at it. So this is quite a project. This is quite a special fence thing, but the lightning has gotten to it a bit. See that, like brown. So this thing was like, it's like military grade, but it's like interesting if you like hold it. So the fault is basically there. See that thing there? That one, that one, and then the other one over there. So the circuit basically, it goes to a little step up and a coil and diodes, and then it goes to a thing you call a SCR, which like charges the capacitor, then discharges. This thing is life-threatening danger as a like, let me pong it quickly. Right. This thing was totally blown. So I got it as far to, this is like state secrets. Well, look me up for this. Memory lost. That's interesting. But I got the encryption to work. Got the relays to work. Oh shit, look at my thumb. It's like healed, it's solid. In any case, that's horrible. Sorry. And everything else is working like. Let's reset it. So where it fails is where that thing charges the first cap and then it doesn't close the gate. So it's either like with the little small electronics that triggers the gate part, or it's like the thing that triggers the gate, So excuse like the condition of the